Hello everybody, welcome back to Potato Gamer. Today we are playing Teardown. Oh, shit. There was a new update that came out recently, nothing to the story or anything. I don't have any of the DLCs. So we're gonna get right in. We're gonna do campaign. Here, one sec, I just want to see if I have mods on. We're just gonna do regular old campaign. Yeah, I confirmed. Oh, shit, I had the jetpack on. Okay, now we start. Part 1. I've beaten the campaign a few times, but I think I've only beaten it once with vanilla. Yeah, they added, like, third person and shit now, so... Yeah, I know. Oh, also, right away. So you grab this shit, right? Right away, I think it's $500 you can get. Oh shit. If you crouch and get in here, right? Here, I think I'll need to break it open with a barrel. But you can get $500 right away. This isn't a mod or anything. This is in base game. Is that enough? It's a little hard to break, but you can get in here. God damn it. I'm used to C as crouch. I might set that as the keybind. Well, whatever. Here. See? So there's a little cave down here. Look. $600. A banana worth $600. Do we still get the money? We better still have the money. I don't think we do. We probably don't have the money anymore. Here, it's gonna be easier if we just, until we get like the pistol or shotgun, then it's gonna be a little easier. Alright. Okay, so we just get through, place a fuse, go back in, and then once we get the shotgun, we'll go down and get it. Or plank. So, right into our first mission. Which is obviously very easy. No alarms or anything. Yeah, I know I can throw. I want to get down the chimney first. Oh shit. Oopsie poopsie. Basically chimney, and then we can smash down the rest. And I want to get this. almost got it all down. There you go, see, that was easy. Continue. Wait, is this unbreakable? I think it's unbreakable. Here, let me see. Yeah, it's unbreakable. Oh no, it isn't. Investigation. Oh, what a warning. We shouldn't take that job. I knew something wasn't right. The building was under cultural heritage protection. The demolition is now part of a criminal investigation. Miss Turpin at the police just sent me this photo. Must have caught you on the traffic camera heading towards the mall. The very last thing we need right now is an investigation. I tried to sweet talk her, and she thought she could get the case dropped, but asked for a favor in return. I don't know what she wants, but just do it. She'll email you directly. A favor, I know. Just so you know, I don't usually do this, but I'm stuck on a case and I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion for months now, but he asked so many friends in town, so I can't get a word. So how about your skills to bar the computers over at Lee Chemicals so I can finally access the customer registry and sort this mess out. If you do this for me, I'll make sure your little blunder will be forgotten. Okay, we just gotta get computers. There's this one right here. I don't know how we can carry these giant CRT screens, basically, with computers built in. Okay, we'll head on through our here. Okay, so we'll just get, I think there's a computer up in that office. Didn't say don't smash. Oh no, cache does save. Okay, perfect. This is in no way a speedrun, by the way. I'm not a speedrunner, and there's no timer. God damn it. Okay, should be valuables. I know these maps really well, so this is the right building, right? No, it's the big one next to it. Warehouse, right? I think it's the warehouse. Yeah, it's the warehouse. It's the office. Oh, crap. You can almost get up here. Oh, shit. Oh. God. Let me get up here. Oh my god. Fine, I'll use the stupid cherry picker. Like I'm supposed to. Okay. Login devices. Customer registry can get hastily has worked almost exclusively with single client receipt. Over BT is no further sales, so I have to bother you with one more favor. Head back to Leak Chemicals and fetch their employee login devices. It should be able to cross-reference as Google log files. The delivery schedule to figure out where they're moving. The product with BT means I heard they installed a new security system. Be careful. Man, he has such a secure little compound here. Oh yeah, you can't. But, I mean, look at how secure this place is, man. I mean, you couldn't just, like, climb up a tree a little bit and then jump over. Oh my god. I said climb up a tree a little bit and then jump over. I mean, that's so secure. Okay. I know. Okay, so this is going to be our last GPS. So this one's going to be last. Right? Okay. This one's going to be last. Okay. So we will start making a bridge. Well, you know what? Is that an optional or required? Okay, all of these are required. How are we gonna get down there? Oh, here, propane. Is there propane? Is there anything on the tower? No. Through, go up, grab that. Jump up. Okay. Get up and okay. So this is gonna have to be perfect. Okay. I love how I'm causing more damage than I'm probably even worth. Okay. That. Make our way through. Fuck. Okay. We will try this. Okay, quick save. Oh shit. Quick load. Okay, so our route's gonna be that, right? This. We're gonna have to break a hole there. Get a propane tank. Oh shit. Ah, fuck. Okay, quick save. Okay, we need another. I feel like the biggest this game, all these people, I don't know when it's placed, but I assume at least it's placed in the modern day. These people are so stupid. I mean, like, not modern. No, actually, because of the CRTs, probably 2000s. But there were vibration detectors back then. You just need to install a vibration detector and boom, you can't use explosives. What? Didn't do anything. Fuck. How did that not do anything? Well, try it. So we're gonna quick load. Is this, can we smash this? No. Okay, so we'll place it right there. Yep. Actually, you know, I could make this just way easier for me. Could try cars, or I could just pop down this. I don't know if that'll be enough, but we can try. You know. Okay, and then we will grab this. We can try this. Might be good. Nice thing about this game is you get to fight for both sides. I mean, not really fight for them, but... you get to use both sides in a scheme to make just tons of fucking money, I guess. I'm glad I know where most of the super valuable stuff is in this game and how to get it, which is always nice. Always is with any game when you've played it a lot. Okay. Fuck. Well, we got that up. That'll make it a little faster. Just need it to ramp. That's all we need it for. Fuck! Okay. I'll try this pallet instead. That's probably gonna be easier and a better ramp. Let me get through, please. Can you still... my question is can you still crouch and fit through, like, pixel-wide gaps? That's my question. Oh, what the fuck? God damn it. What the hell? I did this before, like... not very long ago. Because of this stupid pipeline, I'm gonna be here for like 10 more minutes. Oh my fucking god! What the hell? Like, seriously, bro? Uh-huh? Huh? What? I was walking on those, like, 5 minutes ago. Nothing's changed about them. Oh my fucking god. Okay. Put that up there. So we can go up there on our own. Like, seriously, Jesus Christ, man. Yeah, it's speed. Here, I'll try. I see they have a big pallet in there. I'll try that. Or just more little pallets, I guess. Here, I'll put down door. Or no. Water container, maybe. I guess it might not be used for water, but that's what they usually are used for. So yeah, that wasn't water. I can tell you that now, that was not water, unless it was extremely old. Okay, so then okay, so we can try it. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Yeah, we're gonna make it. Easily. Yeah. Oh shit, unless... No. Climb up in this dumpster. Oh shit. Okay, we're gonna make it. We are. Yeah. Done. Yeah, 14 minutes. It's kind of satisfying to watch that. Then we get stuck here. Yeah, that's satisfying. Anyway. I don't like the treadmill. Even though I'm totally just doing that for the achievement it gives you. Does the blowtorch look different? I think the blowtorch looks different. Probably for a third person. Would you consider that a treadmill? Like, is there any treadmill left? No. Tools, blowtorch. Much better. If turning off the gas, I can't even make proper coffee anymore. I really need to bring in more gallons. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I haven't heard from the police. Is that thing sorted? Mariana, too small. Yeah. So we could destroy a portion of the marina. We gotta destroy a portion of the marinara. Okay, so in here, there should be some valuables. Then we can just speedboat across. I think. Yeah, there's a swordfish. It's the women's. No, it's the men's bathroom. Okay, see the little place? Pirate sword, $400. And then there should be a claw or something. There's a vacuum. Yeah, it's in here. Yeah. Cook. Nice thing about safes is they're fairly easy to move. You just gotta get inside of them. There's probably more valuables, but I know there's like a set of tools or something over here. There should be at least. And then once we get to Gordon's mansion, there's a bunch of valuables. But here, I'll look for those set of tools. Might be in the attic. Got a stack of chair. Up here, there's like a set of tools or papers or something. Oh, bag of cash. I wonder what that was for. I genuinely wonder. I don't know. Oh, how easy this mission would be with just like a physics gun. But no, instead it's just... Okay, fine. First use of the blowtorch. There. See? Moving a little faster. God damn it. Okay, so then we get the edge. Come on. Okay. Almost in the water. Sorry, one sec. Indestructible. Okay. Now we get the speedboat. I forgot the speedboat's the orange one. I gotta go to the houses. Yeah, see. Much faster. Search this house. Cash box. It's called a lockbox. I guess I don't know where this is placed in, so I can't say. A bunch of people call them a bunch of different things. Exact same painting. Well, made a bunch of money on this mission. Actually, there's some valuable stuff in this house, so before I tear it all down, I'll grab that. There might not be any in this house, but I know there is. Just on the Mariana. Life vest. I think there's like one valuable piece in each of these houses. So I'll go grab him. Nothing in this one? Bed? No. Or at least I know there's one in this one. Yeah. Sextant. Walkie-talkies. Sitting in the booth, yeah. Flashlight. Oh my god. Probably more efficient to just grab a boat, but oh god damn it, this fell in the way. There we go. That was quick. I guess, hopefully at least quicker than the last. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get one more mission in, depending on the mission. I don't remember the mission. And then we'll be done. Yep, gotta patch up this roof. New rank. It's an awfully quick blowtorch. And it's just using regular propane, not like map or anything. Here we go, shotgun. Well, anyway. Tools, shotgun. Should upgrade it damage. Okay, it's this classic cars mission. This one will take a while. So we'll do this mission, I guess. I know this one opens for cars, but I know it's slow. So we're gonna wanna just throw it in the marinara. Throw it in the marinara. I'm sorry. Restart. We're just gonna want to use the shotgun as much as we can. Just because we don't need this much more, these many rounds, so I'm gonna justify the use of that. Okay. Here comes the problem. Do. Getting it through here. This game would be easier if there was like a steering wheel. If I had like a steering wheel. How the hell did they get it in there? That's my question. Least of all, back it in. Okay, so we made it through. There we go. That wasn't very hard. I've done it so much that it's just getting easier. Quick save. I just want to see if this works. Okay. So then we get the boat. Open door. I don't have time for your games. Okay. And we just gotta back in the boat. Don't know why this mission gives us the option to raise and lower the bridge. We don't need to raise it, and we don't need to lower it. I mean, it's because it's already lowered. It's not like it's raised or anything. I guess in some missions it probably makes it easier, but not in this one. And then there's one more. Documents in office and spare parts in warehouse. Okay. So we'll make a way to the documents in the office, just up there. Sunglasses, and then there's a register. So for this, we'll turn it around and we'll get crashing. Go through here, around. Go through here. Go through here, up. These. Up. Okay, we'll get a car. Here, there's like a van, yeah. I don't think I've ever gotten every single, like, objective. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Like, unrequired, not required, or required. I'm gonna try and do that. Ugh, shaky. Okay. I still don't know why someone would put, like, an alarm on spare parts. Okay, quick save. Okay. Shit. Okay. Around the documents. Out. Okay. Get this through. Yeah, well, I'm not sure. Okay. Sweet. Wasn't too bad. Here, I just want to check OBS. Okay, yeah, after we watch this, I'm probably gonna wrap it up here. Oh my god. I don't know why this is satisfying. Wow. Okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna cap it here, and I will see you guys next time.